Okay, after you've conditioned, you have to decide if you're gonna sand or start polishing. You don't want to sand everything, just a bare minimum, the tiny spots that have really bad corrosion and really bad scratches. If you're gonna sand, aluminum oxide paper, start with about 400 grit, work your way up all the way to 2000. Unless 2000 gets it out, then do that. But use 3M pads after that to get it even smoother and cleaner, and then start polishing with the F9. The reason you don't want to sand everything is that alclad alloy has a very thin coating of pure aluminum. This protects the structure from corrosion. If it's scratched or sanded, it exposes the harder alloy underneath, which is way more likely to corrode. So I only sanded the spots that were around a level 2 corrosion. It is possible to round over corrosion spots by polishing, but it takes a really long time.